let's go over the defrost options on a 2013 Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be the same through 2012 to 2015. So first, we got tons of snow everywhere. We're going to get the vehicle started up. And right now our engine is completely cold. I want to get my fan speed to 4. I mean, you could blast it all the way to 6, but you won't be able to hear me talking. Then that's our defrost symbol. So you can do defrost just on the windshield. That's going to hit there and start to melt that out. Or you can do the feet so it starts to get the whole cabin warm. Then we come over here. I'm going to start to get my butt warm. That's just your heated seat right there. Make sure we're on hot. AC is not on. And then I'm going to hit my rear defrost. That's going to heat up those lines in the back there. That's heated up and start defrosting that. And then our third defrost feature is this guy. This is the knob to adjust your side mirrors. And you can defrost those by turning it over to the little defrost symbol there. So that's the defrost symbol. Now, this is going to take about 10 minutes. The engine has to warm up to get this going. And I absolutely recommend clearing all your windows with a scraper. But this will help out tremendously to start to get that thawing going, and get you out on the road. All right, if this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you out there. Have a good one.